TOHITA Development Company Limited, established in 2016, is a professional company engaged in copier toner cartridges, copier printer remanufactured drum units, fuser units, and related spare parts. Products cover almost all the brands, such as for Xerox, OKI, Ricoh, Konica Minolta, Canon, HP, Sharp, Toshiba, Samsung. And now TOHITA has been the outstanding supplier of copier consumables worldwide. We are located in Zhuhai, China, with convenient transportation access. We test each product before packing to ensure the quality. We have prescription matching test, raw material test, 100% printing test, and random test. Product defective rate is less than the average level of the industry. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss customers' requirements and ensure complete customer satisfaction. Due to constantly optimized order process way, TOHITA has strong abilities to process the hard orders, such as small quantity and mixing many models. With an export license, we export products to Asia, Europe, North America, Africa, Latin America, and other areas of the world. Our products gain wide praise all over the world. Welcome you to be our customers. Our price, quality, and service will give our customers confidence to win more market shares and also enjoy the business benefits together.
Hello friends, this is Casa from TOHITA. Nice to meet you. In this time, let me introduce our products. On the exhibition racks is our main product, like toner cartridge, drum unit, first unit, and the spare parts. Our products sold all over the world. We have received a lot of good news from our customers. Order with TOHITA to win the business in your market.